Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you what I received for Christmas this year related to my junk journal supplies. These were some of the vintage items that I received for Christmas, and my family knows me well. If you follow me over on Instagram, you would have seen a few of the items that my daughter and mother-in-law had picked up for me at an antique mall, and I'm going to show you those as well as some things that my friend gave me. And yeah, I just love everything, and I can't wait to get started using these things in my junk journals. So first, I will start off with the things that my daughter picked up and my mother-in-law and what they found me. They're so adorable, and there is one item in here that I already put away, so that's not in here, but that was a vintage kitchen towel that my daughter thought I could use like as a cover for a journal or something like that. It was a Christmas one, and I think it was really, really pretty. So anyway, I'll show you some of these things here. There are some patterns, really cute. I love the kids, you know, little toddler patterns are adorable. This one's so cute. This might be a 4th of July junk journal, possibly. So I received those, and then here are some cards. It says they're from the 1950s. Christmas cards. Oh, this is really neat. It's a pop-up. I don't think I actually opened up all of these. This one has velvet on it. So pretty. And then here's another nativity scene. And then the Pokey Little Puppy's First Christmas. This one's from 1993. And then Raggedy Ann and the Cookie Snatcher. And I forgot to pull this in with it, but they did give me this. I love this one. I think this is my favorite. It's called The Noisy Clock Shop. And this is a wonder book. It is adorable. I'll do a little flip through. It's in pretty rough shape, but I will make a journal out of it. So I'll fix it up a bit. But this is just adorable. It's from 1950. Super cute. Full color illustrations, and it just has that adorable 50s vibe to it. So cute. There is a page that's ripped there, so I'll have to repair that. Yeah, so this, I love this. Super cute. And then this one is awesome as well. It's the Golden Christmas Book. It says it has stories, songs, poems, riddles, and things to do for Christmas. Lots of pictures in full color and black and white. It's really pretty. It is from 1947, so this is a really old one. Just a gorgeous book. Kind of reminds me of the Ideals books, but for kids. I would love to have had a book like this growing up. So beautiful. Yeah, oh, I love it. Awesome. And then there are several packages of these vintage seals or stickers. I think they're like lick and stick, but this package has more floral and birds. And then the rest of them are Christmas. Just a ton of them in there, especially. There's a bunch of that one Santa, and then there's some different Santas in here. This one has glitter on it. So cute. Might have to list some of these in my Etsy. Well, no, I won't do that. That's not nice. They'll eventually be in my Etsy shop because I will use them in my journals. Include them in my journals, so. And then I'll show you some of these. There's some rocking horses and, oh, cute little reindeer. Super cute. And then a little bear and a little puppy. That's so cute. And then the last little bunch has candles and lanterns. This is, I can't tell what that one is. Valentine's, maybe? I don't know. Yeah. Oh, then there's a different one. Oh, it's a bigger candle. So those are really cute. And then this one isn't vintage, but I thought they were really pretty. They're stickers that just have different Christmas images on them, and they have like silver. They kind of look like bottle caps, but they're actual stickers. All right, so that's that stuff. And then my friend Michelle gave me, she gave me other things as well, but these were the junk journal supplies that she gave me, and she put them in this really cute basket with a plaid cover on the inside. So really cute. Now let's go ahead and pull the things out. Those are some things I'll show you in a bit. So she, well, just a second, that's different. She gave me this atlas of the world and gazetteer. It says it's a literary digest. So it's an old atlas. This has full color maps. And let's see, this one is from 1929, so this is super old. And then she gave me a couple different Reader's Digests, and I'm planning on doing some Valentine journals. So I'm going to possibly use these if I can get them done in time. So there's this one that has the Scarlet Pimpernel, Tom Sawyer, The Good Earth, Robin Hood. And then this one has Little Women, Tales of Poe, Mutiny on the Bounty, and Marco Polo. She also gave me this book. It is Fireside Book of Love Songs. This book, it has a beautiful cover. Look at that. It just has flowers on the front, and then the inside cover is just beautiful. It has those really pretty images, and then it has an old library card pocket there. This book is from 1954, and it just has a ton of beautiful illustrated music or songs, different love songs. So I just thought that was really beautiful. And then the last thing that she gave me, I think this one is my favorite. It is Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. This is a book, I believe, from the 90s, or the 80s. Let's see, 1983. So it is vintage, not antique, but it's made to look like an old antique book. It just has a beautiful cover on the inside as well, and then it just has amazing illustrations. Just really awesome. Sorry for the glare. So yeah, this one is awesome. I have some other Alice in Wonderland items that I've been collecting, so I hope to make a journal with that stuff soon. And then there were some other items I received from another friend, and they are some old cards and a little notepad. So I'll just flip through them here. I think this is a label of some kind. I think probably, I don't know what language that is. German, maybe? I don't know. And then here is an old card, birthday card. It's really cute. I like how it has the twine on the side there. And then a thank you card. Really cute. And this is a Christmas card. It's a pretty simple one, but that's really neat anyway. And then these are postcards. Unused, but they are vintage. And probably that's probably from Holland, I think, or I don't know. Another one of those. Just love the cute illustrations. Some flowers. And then here is an old notepad. Riverside Country Club from 1953. So I just thought that was cool. That'll be cool to add papers into some of my journals. And then we went to a thrift store and I found some books. This was also another book my friend Michelle gave me of 101 Dalmatians. This one is 2007, so not too old, but I always loved the little golden books. And then at the thrift store I found 5 golden books. And there's Winnie the Pooh and the Honey Tree from, let's see, 1965. That's an older one. And then Shy Little Kitten from 1974. The Gingerbread Man. So this will be fun for next Christmas from 1972. This one, these two I've never seen before. So The Sword and the Stone. Thought this was really cool. And it's from 1963. It kind of, I don't think this is not, it doesn't say it's a reprint, but I'm sure it is because 1963, they would not have a UPC label on the back. But I just thought it was cool because I'd never seen that little golden book before. And then this one as well. Scamp. Thought it was super cute. This one, another reprint. Says it's from 1957, but obviously not. So that is what I received for Christmas this year that I can use in my junk journals. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.